Good morning, guys. This is day 3 of the 100 days 10-minute crochet, and last time we ended with row 9 of the Crochet Bird. So if everything went as it should be, you should have done the last row with 2 single crochets in every 6th stitch, and we are now going to continue with row 10, and that is a single crochet around, so that's easy. So let's start. So I saw that excuse me, I saw that the little trick with the crochet cactus and the crochet donut had worked for me, staying inside the frame of the video. So today I'm using my cute little seashells from my holiday and the crochet cactus again. I think it also makes the frame look really cute, a little more interesting to look at. Excuse me, something in my throat. So I just looked ahead in the pattern before I started, and I could see that we are already about halfway. So it's going to be a cute little bird. It's nice to put it on your shelf, or make a keychain, or just a cute little gift. You can do whatever you want with it, of course. It's your own choice. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. It will probably be put on my shelf, and then after a while I donate these amigurumi that I finish, because I don't want my whole house full of crochet items. You know, it's fun. It shows what my hobbies are, but it's not that I have tons of room here. I'm just gonna get some water. So, no, it's still not better, but it feels better. Okay, so we are at the end of row 10. Row 11 is also single crochet around, so let's just continue with that. So since we are actually already halfway the birds, I can ask you, maybe you have some patterns in your laptop folder, or you found something on Pinterest. If it's a free pattern, please share it in the comments below, or send me an email, and we can crochet that together. That could be fun. And yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying this pattern, because, well, I didn't have any input yet, so I chose this pattern myself. I actually crochet faster when I'm not talking. How about that for multitasking? I already went too far. That's okay. Because row 12 is also a single crochet around. So I'll just continue. Happens to me a lot because I don't use stitch markers or anything of that kind. I often crochet too many stitches and then I have to undo them. I have to frog them. And sometimes you can leave them in because they are the same as the stitches you have to do for the next round. But because I work a lot with these kind of tiny amigurumis, it just makes it harder to hold it in my hand when there's also a large stitch marker in the way. And because there are not many stitches in every row, you have to undo it and secure it a lot, like every minute or so. Well, it depends on how fast you crochet, of course, but that's why I don't use it. I've tried it, I have them. I also tried the trick with using a contrasting yarn scrap. But, well, I'm just too lazy to put the marker in and out every time. I'd rather just crochet this continuously. Okay, so we are at the end of row 12 now. And row 13 has some new instructions. Round 13 says decrease every 6th row. So we are, oh sorry, not row, decrease every 6th stitch. So we are going to stitch 5. So, I already stitched 1 actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then decrease. And what I do to the decrease is I put the hook through the front loop of the 6th stitch and then the next stitch, and then I do what I normally do for a single crochet. And that way you will not have a gap, because when you just skip a stitch you will get a little gap. And now it just looks like a normal stitch. I think the more technical term for this is the invisible decrease, rather than just a normal decrease. Because a normal decrease means just skipping a stitch. So we are at the 6th stitch again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, front loop, pull through, yarn over and pull through. I don't know if you can see this. You can see a little difference where the decrease was, or is, and a normal stitch. But if you look at the total picture, you cannot really tell where you did the decrease. So that's what I like about the invisible decrease, because, well, the name says it, it's invisible. And let's see, I did 2, 3, oh, I don't like it. It was a bit too loose, so 3, 4, 5, decrease. I think this is the last decrease. Yeah, okay. So we are at the end of row 13, and tomorrow we will continue with row 14. Okay, bye-bye.